Hi everyone and welcome back. Traditionally, bridesmaids wore matching dresses chosen by the bride, but today more brides are allowing their bridal party to choose their own dresses. So when done correctly, this approach can create a beautiful coordinated look while allowing each bridesmaid to just feel comfortable and confident. So let's talk about how to make it work. The first step is setting clear guidelines, and honestly, giving complete freedom can sometimes create confusion. Instead, you can provide a few boundaries such as a color palette, dress length, fabric type, or the level of formality. And one of the easiest approach is choosing a color family. For example, you might ask your bridesmaids to wear different shades of blue, green, or pink. This creates variety while still looking cohesive in photos. Another option is selecting a specific color and just allowing different dress styles. This works especially well when your bridesmaids have different body shapes and personal preferences. And comfort is another important reason many brides choose this approach. Not every dress flatters every person equally. Allowing bridesmaids to select styles that suit their body type often helps them feel more confident throughout the wedding day. And honestly, confident bridesmaids tend to look happier and more relaxed in photos. Also, communication is key. Share inspiration photos, fabric ideas, and examples of what you're envisioning. The more clearly you explain your expectation, the easier it will be for everyone involved. And another helpful tip is to approve dresses before they are purchased. This doesn't mean controlling every detail. It simply means it helps to ensure that the dresses fit within your overall vision. You should also consider the wedding theme. A formal ballroom wedding may require more structure and elegance than a casual outdoor celebration. So just make sure your guidelines reflect the atmosphere you're trying to create. And honestly, don't forget about the fabrics. Even when colors match, very different fabrics can create an inconsistent look. Suggesting similar fabrics can help the bridal party to appear more coordinated. Accessories can also help bring everything together. Matching bouquet, jewelry, shoes, or hair accessories can create unity even when the dresses are not identical. Budget is another advantage of this approach. Allowing bridesmaids to choose their own dresses often gives them more flexibility to find options that fit their budget. And another thing you need to remember is trust. You chose your bridesmaids because they're important people in your life, so giving them some freedom can make the process more enjoyable and less stressful for everyone. Letting bridesmaids choose their own dresses can be a wonderful decision when you provide clear guidance and maintain a cohesive vision. Focus on color, style, communication, and flexibility, and you are going to create a bridal party look that's both beautiful and memorable. Thank you so much for watching our today's video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I hope to see you on the next one.
You say slow